Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zia. As a teacher working in a Thane school, and I'm joined over here as a volunteer in Albir Foundation. With the team of Albir Foundation, we are creating an awareness campaign over here in Kurla, near to the railway stations. And Alhamdulillah, the positivity created over here. One of the non-Muslim brother, he came here and he said, he taken a vow. Today I'm going to leave my drugs, whatever the drugs I'm consuming, I'll leave it because Albir team, make him understand through with this literature. So it's a wonderful job I'll be doing today. It's a humble request to all my brothers, sisters, to join Albir either through voluntarily. You can come here or you can support Albir Foundation through financially to spreading the message of peace and mercy to among all mankind. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
आप अपनी ज़कात, सदकात और अतियात दिए गए अकाउंट नंबर या QR कोड स्कैन के जरिए या फिर गूगल पे के जरिए भी भेज सकते हैं। मजीद जानकारी के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर राब्ता कायम करें। सपोर्ट अल्बिर।